Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the device ready. Make sure Play Store is updated and note your Android version. This affects WebView behavior. Now, open Settings and go straight to Apps. Tap the three-dot menu to show System Apps so hidden components appear. Find Android System WebView or a WebView implementation listing. This is the target. You're starting the change immediately because WebView is a low-level renderer used by many apps. So enabling or updating it fixes web content rendering. Once you're in App Info, check the status. If Android System WebView is disabled, tap Enable Now. Enablement restores web rendering for embedded views. If it's enabled but misbehaving, tap Update. This will open Play Store to fetch the latest build, which often resolves crashes. On newer Samsung phones, Chrome can be the active WebView provider. In that case, make sure Chrome is updated too, and set the correct WebView implementation under Developer Options if you need to switch providers. Finish by restarting your Samsung device. A reboot applies changes and clears transient issues. If rendering still fails, return to App Info and clear cache, then clear data. This resets WebView state without harming personal files. As a final measure, enable Developer Options, tap Build number 7 times, open Developer Options, and choose the WebView implementation to switch between Android System WebView and Chrome. Make sure to restart again. If nothing works, consider uninstalling updates and reinstalling the latest update from Play Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.